Okay, we're going to start with the Meet the Team graphics. This is just a tutorial on a basic Instagram static post. So when you go to create a new graphic, you'll just want to click in Instagram post template. So I'm dragging and dropping a picture for the background, and you can move it back and forth, expand it, crop it to fit the template size. And then I'm doing Meet Jenna at the top. So I wanted to add a header by clicking the text bar in the left hand side of the screen. And you can expand, you can make it smaller, larger by expanding the corners or clicking the font size at the top. And then I'm going to change the color to white so it stands out a bit. And then if you go to effects, there's a bunch of effects that you can choose from. I'm going to put a shadow just so it's a little bit more transparent. And then you can actually pull the transparency button back and forth to show the shadow more or less. I did it all the way just because it's a busy background. And then I'm adding a different header for Jenna's name because we want them on separate lines. And I'm changing her font to a cursive font just to make the title a little bit more fancy. Expanding her name out. And then I want the meet to be on top of Jenna's name. So if you right click and click layers, you can either move forward, backward, send to the back, whichever you'd prefer. And then I'm also doing the same shadow effect on Jenna's name. So once that's done, I'm going to go to elements on the left-hand side, and then I'm going to pick a shape that I want her 5 facts to be listed on. And so I'm going to go with this shape because you can turn it, rotate it however you'd like. And then you can also expand it, make it shorter, you can make it longer by pulling the side buttons. And then once I get that situated to where I want it to be, I'm going to change the color. And we have a brand kit with all of our brand colors in there, and you can do that as well. Also, if you upload a logo, it will pull the colors from your logo. So that will automatically be done for you. And then I'm going to duplicate this because I'm going to have multiple of the same shape and I want them to be the same size. And then if you duplicate them and move them into the space that you want, it will actually automatically put the shapes exactly the same width apart as well. So then I'm going to go back to the text button. I want to add a smaller text body, so I clicked the bottom one. And then you're just going to fill in her facts. So then I want to duplicate all of the fonts as well, just so that they're the same size, and it actually moves them directly onto the shapes. And then you just can change and edit those as you please. I want to align these to the left, so you can do the alignment at the top bar with the 4 lines next to the A's. Okay, and now that I have all of the facts written in and centered to the way that I like them, I'm going to go back to uploads and I'm going to pull my logo to add in. So you can actually search for things in your uploads. If you labeled it logo, if you labeled it Theriault-Fazio team, you can search any of those things and it will pull up right away rather than going back and searching. So I'm pulling the white logo just because it stands out more on the background. And then once you're completed, you can go to the share button in the right-hand corner. And if you want to just send somebody the view only link, just so that they can, either approve it or give you the thumbs up, whether it's good or not, before downloading, you can do that. If not, and you're ready to download completely, just make sure you're clicking whether you want a PNG, a video, you can do a bunch of things. and then you can click the current page, or you can download all of your designs at the same time.